Welcome back to another MISys video with Brandout Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about how to import suppliers using Excel. So first we're going to master files, and then we're going to move over to suppliers, file, import.
File, import suppliers. And we're doing it as a Microsoft XLS file. We're doing insert and update and manual because we haven't mapped it out. We're going to proceed. Alright, supplier number. Now, what we have to do is we have to go in here and we're going to map this. Let's see, it's vendor, address here. You can import terms, you can import a lot of things. It's actually better to import from your accounting software into MISys rather than from MISys into your accounting software. So you always want to set up your vendors and then import them in. Import completed successfully.
If you found any of that helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, and let us know what else we can help you with. Thanks.